Well, I think we're back. I don't know if we are, but I think we are. You let me know in the chat if we are back. My God. Did you plug it in and plug it back in? I heard a noise, okay? I heard a noise like something falling behind the computer, and I was like, what the hell was that? I didn't think much of it. Good thing we haven't moved in price action, okay? Just getting rejected at VWAP. We're back, baby. Let's go. Let's go. How are you supposed to have a good attitude when you get rugged by the computer? Rejection. We've missed 2 trades off of VWAP here. Let's go. All right, all right. That's okay. Let's share this out now. You guys want to share this out to your friends and family and let them know to come back. I miss them all. You guys are enough. You guys are more than enough. Thank you all for being here. Be back, baby. We back. And the market's not even open yet. Look at that. We've saved some money. Do we get a longer stream now? I knew this was going to be up for a question now. We haven't gone anywhere. We pumped up, we hit VWAP, we rejected down. Easy peasy. Lemons. I think Tom Crown and Frankie Candles totally rugged me. I think they came through and rugged me. We're so effing back. Let's go. We're not going to talk about pineapples on pizza. Yeah, we are. Let's go. Let's talk about pineapples. Pineapple on the za. Yes. No. We got to know. On the za. Gnocchi isn't pasta. It's potato. Love Tool. Let's go, buddy. Love Tool as well, man. I love Tool as well. Look at all these amazing people in here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You got to say good morning again. I was about to say check the VPN. Yeah, so I checked the VPN. VPN was fine. I reset the modem. The power supply. The power supply was out. Alex, did you reset the PC? Yes, we did. We're good to go. We're good to go. I think we're all good in here. Mr. UK power supply was right. Pornhub was also right. I got to turn the simplest thing. Yeah. Yeah, it was power supply. So the plug was out. It tapped on the, yeah. Anyways. I ain't got to explain myself to you guys. I'm here. I'm back. We're going to make some money. Let's go. No glasses today. Not today, man. I wear the blue light glasses when I have I've had a headache the past couple of days working long days. So my wife might come in with my blue light glasses and say, "Wear your glasses," you know? My wife probably cares more about my eyes than I do. Or she probably just wants me not to have a headache and be in a good mood. But no glasses today. I don't need glasses. I have very good vision. It's just lots of screens and circle lights and all that crap that comes with the ubular. Okay, so we'll see how price reacts here. We're getting a little bit of a bear flag here, a bear flag pushing down. Let's see if it does want to pop back up and go to the upside. Thank you, everybody, for being here and being patient with me. I mean, I can't control the interwebs, okay? All I know is that we're here. We're going to make some money, honey, and let's be prepared. A prepared trader is a profitable trader. So trading is waiting, and I made you wait, okay? Sorry. I was just trying to improve everybody's patience on the live stream. That was my whole intention out of that delay, okay? If we could try to get those likes back up and smash those subscribes and all that good stuff, you know, all that stuff they talk about, that would be greatly appreciated. Sorry we had a delay. I couldn't really help it. Switzerland state-owned post-finance AG Bank launches Ethereum staking. Oh, wow. Interesting. Okay. Ethereum staking. Is anybody staking ETH? Let me know. I don't know. I don't touch that. Of course, come back and Kitty stole my seat. That's unfair. Good to see you guys in here. Good morning. No pineapple on pizza. How you doing? No glasses. The division. Good morning, my North American. Good to see you. The division. Good to see you. My North American. Is that like because Mexico or Canada's gonna be? Are we just gonna be called North Americans now? Because you're gonna take over Canada. We're getting a couple of rejections off VWAP. Really coiling up here on our oscillator, as we can see here. Whenever you're getting a coiling, so this would be your coiling. Okay, getting tightly wound, which is typically going to pop. Okay, we don't want to get in the way of the pop. We just want to possibly participate. Okay, we'll see what goes on here. Coiling down in here. VWAP has been good resistance. If we do push through VWAP with some vengeance this morning and reclaim it, we can look for a long. Okay, if we swing fail pattern and reclaim it, we can look for a long. If we lose the low in here, retest, we can short this thing down. If we swing fail above into the VWAP, we can short that thing down. We don't want to trade in the middle of the range. Okay, that's not where we like to participate. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with me. Good morning, Zena. Donato Cabrera. Going to get rugged again with the pineapple talk. Oh, you guys are all into pineapples, eh? Is that like pineapple is for swingers, isn't it? Am I wrong? Moose. I call my wife Moose. Is pineapple for swingers? Is it the symbol for swingers? I don't know. Weren't you a swinger in your past? No? Pineapple swingers? Is it? Kind of. People are saying it is. How do you guys know? Does pineapple go on pizza? She says definitely not. She's more Italian than me and she's British. You know what I did? I fixed the computer. I plugged it in. She's giving me the slow clap, everyone. She's giving me the slow clap. If you show up to a house with a pineapple on the door, they swinging. Moose, do we got any pineapples to hang on a door? If you're wondering, I call my wife Moose because we're Canadian, and in Canada, instead of calling your spouse dear, we say moose. This is absolutely not a fact. It's just how we roll. This is just an Alex O'Crypto thing. Okay? And literally, like, I call her Moose more than I call her Mrs. Otter, or her actual name, which is Amy. Amy's a sweetheart, okay? Thanks, Moose. Tony Soprano says you know what's good about pizza. Pineapple goes on pizza. Don't come at me, okay? Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. We're slowly climbing the viewership. I mean, what can you do? You got rugged by the power supply this morning. We got rugged by power supply. What can we say? We'll see if we do get a reaction on price here coming into market open. We got 5 minutes till market open. The S&P here gapping to the upside as we predicted yesterday. So coming up, we did leave a little bit of a whoosh in here. So could we come back down? I would like to think we come back down. I don't think we come down into here. Maybe just a little one down into here. Then maybe we push into this trend line here. This trend line is going to be critical resistance. And we'll see how that works out today. The NASDAQ. I do like the NASDAQ over here. The NASDAQ seems to be trading very similarly to Bitcoin. Okay, so we can see we are getting this flag. Okay, and can it break out and continue? We'll have to wait and find out. Looking strong, though, coming back, retesting previous highs like we always talk about and trying to push out of this downtrend. Okay, so NASDAQ looking okay as well. The Dixie, we liked that it had broken structure here yesterday. Okay, coming down. We want to see a lower high and a continuation down here on the Dixie. Okay, the Dixie is way too high right now. We want to see this thing absolutely get crushed. Bitcoin trying to push right now into market open. It seems as though we are getting a good resistance on VWAP, as we can see right now. We do have a little bit of bottoming structure in here. We have put in a higher low. Nothing I'm getting too excited about. Okay, if we reclaim VWAP and push, that would be great. Or swing fail down and below here. Okay, so a little bit of patience will prevail. Looking at this, really, we can see that we've really chopped within this area up here. Okay, coming back down to 97.5 would be ideal in my opinion. Flagging out here, dropping down, bouncing, and then trying. Okay, but nothing as of yet. Just want to wait and see what we get here. We are sort of in a downtrend, looking for this thing to continue down. However, anything is possible. Everything is pretty bullish right now. We look around, XRP all-time highs, Algorand, HBAR, all those ISO tokens, right? Absolutely ripping to the upside. Make sure if you are holding those tokens, I would be taking profits for sure. We were talking about that today in the morning. About you got to pay yourself. Like, I don't care what you say. Like, for me, I sold off most of my Ethereum due to tax purposes mostly. Okay, I do believe ETH will go to like at least $6,000. However, like I was selling on the way up here, right? Just for tax purposes alone, right? So you got to have an exit plan. You have to pay yourself. I sold all the way up here, and then the new year hit, and guess what? It dumped. So it was a very good sell on the way up into here, and now we live with the profits instead of the regret, right? It's a mindset thing. I think you're getting into crypto. You want to 2x, 3x, 4x your money, and it's like how lucky we are. We're even able to get like a 50% gain, a 20% gain. It's incredible. So I mean, never feel bad about taking profits. Always pay yourselves. You guys are incredible. Thank you everybody for being here. Onions are gross. I love onions. I can eat garlic and onions and peppers. Careful. Still has a CDW from Wednesday. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Weekly Alex. Jesse, good luck with his weekly VWAPs. Watch out. Grammar is hard. It's not meat, it's pizza. Prosciutto goes on pizza, absolutely. With some beautiful oregano, or is it oregano? Let me know in the chat. Oregano or oregano? Is it arugula or is it rocket? You guys let me know in the chat. I don't remember when I actually called my girlfriend her actual name. That's the one, right? That's the one. My neighbors have upside down pineapple tattoos and a wooden pineapple. Let's go, Paul. Paul, you were scouting the neighborhood and you saw the perfect neighbor to have, and you bought the house, right? I want to live beside these guys, man. I sold my XRP yesterday. Literally was in the shop and needed some chart change. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Prosciutto, fig, and pesto. Wow, you guys are getting creative, man. You guys are getting creative, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Coming up into VWAP here. Market is opening in a minute, so let's see how the market reacts. A little bit of chop solidation, if we're going to call it anything. Chop solidation. No trades this morning. Remember, ripsawing very aggressively here. So coming in, let's see. S&P. 20 seconds. Coming up into VWAP. No trade as of yet. Just waiting. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I apologize for the stream getting a little bit messed up, I guess. As soon as Tom Crown and Frankie Candles came through, I mean, the whole stream just went haywire. So pretty wild. Maybe I should plug in my computer. Oh man. Okay, so let's see how it goes here. We got market open, gap up. So we were wrong this morning. Oof. Gap up. So this could be cooling off here. We got retail sales that came in this morning too. Okay, so gapping up here, NASDAQ trying to break out, trying to push, but no real follow through here. We got anchor trigger wave on NASDAQ, money trying to come in, overextended though. Okay, Bitcoin rolling over, not looking too good this morning. Like we said, I'm more inclined to think we come down to this area 97.5. Another rejection off VWAP, not necessarily the rejection I would like to see. I would like to see that off of coming up a little bit higher. Okay, so a little bit of patience right now will prevail. Thank you everybody for being in the live. It's market open. We will go a little bit longer if the market, suggests if we, I don't mind going a little bit later today. Hanging out with you guys is always fun. So let's see what we get here. Market is open. A little bounce coming back down in here. Another higher low coming in. No trade as of yet. Would like to see an SFP up in here or a bounce off of the low down in here. So a little bit of patience. Not wanting to trade the hot dog, right? Like for me, it's like stay out of this. This is not fun. Okay, you don't want to get the hot dog. You want the buns, right? We always want the buns. We want to trade on the buns. We want to be long here and short here. Very simply, okay? We don't want to be in the middle. We're currently in the middle. Rolling over right now. Okay, in a downtrend. So overextension to the upside. Coming back, grabbing some of the late longs is what I'm thinking here. As we, I don't know if this is a head and shoulders, but we got, 3 drives and then this rollover. So can we come back down? Most likely, but we'll have to be patient here. We'll see what goes on. A little bit of a ruggage to the downside here. No trade as of yet. No trade as of yet. 12-minute trigger wave trying to print here. Okay, if we swing down and bounce, we'll get a bull div. That would be ideal. 24. Let's take a look here. Always trying to back ourselves up with the other analysis, okay? 280 people in here, 75 likes. If we wouldn't mind getting those likes up to the viewers. I know we dropped off, but we're here and we're gonna make some money today. So let's figure it out. Got a nice curvature here. Money coming down though, so not too ideal right now. The 1 hour looked nice, but the 4 hour, the 3 hour look a little bit bearish, okay? We got a little bit of Bart Simpsoning happening here. What goes up must come down. So patience will prevail. Patience will prevail. I see you guys in the chat. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing the like, supporting the channel. God bless you guys. We're looking okay today. Looks like a little bit of a cool off, okay? We had retail sales this morning. It came in under expectation, so 0.4 rather than 0.5. And tomorrow we're going to have building permits, which is, not massive news, but it still affects the economy. So we're aware of that. Right now, just very choppy. We're getting some pumps on, XRP, Link, Algorand, HBAR, XRP, those ones. Bitcoin dominance put in a nice low in here. Okay, so looking for that to continue down. Bitcoin just chopping around in here. We'll see. Rejection off VWAP. Coming down to the lower part of the range. So here's where we're ideally looking for a long. Okay. NASDAQ continues to push. That's good. S&P rolling over. No trade yet. No trade yet. Let's see if we do get bottoming structure in here. This is very much just choppy, right? And this is, it's 0.5%, which is not ideal. We want direction, right? We want to know if we're coming down here or if we're going up here. This is, if we come here, we can look for that. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live. 200, 300 people now on the live. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, please come over and hang out with us. We would love to have you. We're here Monday to Friday, every day, trading this live, crushing the charts, hanging out with you guys. Subscribe if you're new. Okay, push back. Nice sweep here. Nice sweep, push back here. like we said, we're really coiling right now. If we're looking at this, we're really just coiling in. Okay, nice bounce here off of the low, sweeping this low, pushing up. Ripsaw, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Very, very sporadic price action right now. Look, big rollover, then big bounce up. Okay, so, unless you're... Yeah, not for me. That's not for me. This in here is not something I like to trade. Big rejection, ripping back down. Jeez, this is nasty. We got a little trigger wave here on the 1 minute. What's the 5 minute saying? Okay, so again, bottoming structure. I really would like to see the low mitigated in here. Mitigation, pop back up, and then go. That's okay to me if we take that trade, but chopping everybody up right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live. Apologies about the... I guess I should have plugged in my computer this morning. Oh, man, crazy. This looks like it's coming down a little bit more here. How's everybody doing? Are we putting pineapple on our pizza? We got 54%. Man, you guys better vote. We got 130 votes here. If you're very serious about your pineapple, man, sheesh. You guys better vote, man. You guys like your pizza? Thank you for being here. Darshan, thank you. I appreciate you. Tony Soprano, my magic trend line rejected. Oh, no. Tony Soprano with the magical trend line. 12-hour on the market cipher isn't great. No, we definitely saw that with the trigger wave. Is that the trigger wave we're talking about here? Okay, so 12-hour, yes, we have anchored trigger wave here, but the daily trigger wave here, this one is what concerns me. This is nasty, right? If this rolls over here, because we're very overextended here on the daily, VWAP. VWAP's very overextended, so that could roll over right now. Cautious here. The hopium is in the hourly to come back in, but look, rejection off the VWAP right now, or off the zero line. So this isn't looking good. This looks like more downside in my opinion. Okay. 24, same thing. Coming down, there's lots more room down here. Okay. Money flow crossover as well. So trying to hold that zero line on stochastics is some hopium, but nonetheless, this looks like it's at least coming down to grab these lows. If we get a bounce in here, we could take a long, okay? If we get a bounce. If this, then that, right? Always if this, then that, wanting to set the trap. Ideally, we want to come down 97.6. Okay? 97.6 is a target, but nothing. Yeah, NASDAQ. Okay? Flat across the board right now. No real direction. Just uncertainty. This tells me uncertainty, especially with this thing whipping around like this. Okay, so you got triple top in here rolling over. That compression is what concerns me as well, right? When we see compression in market cipher like this typically we should always wait for the move to happen. This can happen on any time frame, but it can be a very sporadic move that comes out of something like this. And I hate symmetrical triangles. They're the worst things ever. We want pennants, we want, flags, we want direction, but symmetrical triangles, even on oscillators, are absolute garbage. We don't want to be a victim, right? We want to be able to manage our risk well. We'll see how we react in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live with me. I appreciate you guys. Subscribe if you are new. 330 people in here, 107 likes. Thank you so much for being part of the gang. A very weird day today. Next global war over pineapple on pizza or not? Looks like the yeses are gaining on the no's. That's pretty good. I like actual triangles. Acute triangles. You're a cute triangle, airdropper. Sniper's nightmare in the chest. I've lost all respect for 56% of the people in here. Oh, man. Pineapple on pizza. Insert Greta Thunberg meme here. 97.4. Yeah, that's a good area that I am looking for as well. The division I am looking there as well. Good morning to everybody. Thank you for being here. Make sure you say good morning. I would love to say good morning to you. I don't want to hurt Tony's feelings anymore, so we're going to end the poll because Tony might cry. But you know what? If we don't want Tony to cry, we could always go over to the Discord and message Tony. Tony is very helpful. If we go over here and we just go at Tony and we go, hey, what? Hey, who is your daddy and what does he do? Who is your daddy and what does he do? Maybe we can all go and say hello to Tony Soprano in the Discord. He does like a good old question like that. Like he's very available. And if you do want to join our Discord, we have an amazing Discord. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. Come over, hang out with us. There's 4 traders in there. Watch the video. $1 a day, $30 a month, man. I don't know. I see these people charging $100, $80, $70, $200, $400. That's crazy, man. $30 a month, man. We have a sale right now. The prices will go up, but not right now, man. People got to eat. Look at this, sweeping the lows. Come on, baby. Let's sweep it. Let's sweep it. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Sweep it. So whenever price is falling, and this applies to even adding to it, to a trade. So you don't want to, let's say you're in a long over here. I don't know. You're in a long over here. You don't want to add the trade on the downtrend. You want to add to the trade on the up. So you want to have confirmation. Maybe it holds the low here. You want to add on the way up. Same with this. You don't want to get into a trade on the way down. You want to wait for this. This is what you want to wait for. And then you go. If it reclaims the key level, that's when you go. And then you can justify putting your stop loss underneath this low. Good to go. Okay? I know all of you guys like to be wick whisperers and catch the wicks. And look at this thing. You're going to catch this? Right? Bounce? Are we going to bounce? I'm ready. Are we going to bounce? No bounce. No bounce. No bounce. Dumping, baby. Coming down and wrecking people. The reckoning. All right, this is rolling over. No bounce. Looking to possibly get short now. Flagging out, right? Flagging out, rolling over. Flagging out, rolling over. Big old ripper to the downside. Definitely no bounce in that. Coming back up. My goat's going off again, coming back up. No bounce here, continuation down. Okay, that was a very aggressive sell-off there. Coming back in. So that's what I mean about that sporadic price action, that coiling. Look at how it uncoiled on our oscillator here, right? So you have this trend line coming up in here. And look, bang, right through it, okay? Putting in a higher momentum wave, okay? No trade yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're getting a little bit of a rejection. That's Italian for rejection. Oh, man. Pushing down here, coming back and wrecking the bulls, okay? Like we anticipated, right? At least halfway down into this area here, okay? Downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. People getting a little bit overly bullish, which is fine. A nice rejection off of our 786, key level. So lower and slower, baby, lower and slower. We'll see how it continues to rip to the downside here. No trade yet, coming into a support level right now, but I'm looking more into this area in here for potential bounce. Continuing to roll over here, no trade. I'd look for a short if we came back into here. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live with me. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and hang out with us, even with internet problems. Look at this thing, ripping to the downside. No trade. Okay, it's coming into our buy level. So with this buy level, we need to be patient, right? We need to see it stop. We need to see it stop and then pop, right? Stop and pop is what I'm looking for. So no short. Okay. No short yet. If we push back in here, we can look for a continuation follow through. Okay, coming into here. So we're looking for this. If we come in here, come back in here, we can look for a continuation follow through on the short. I'm looking around 90, let's say 98,400. 98,400. Potential short. Looking a little bit higher here. Now, if you can establish support in this general area, so if we come down, we bounce and then go, then we can long, okay? If this, then that. If this, then that, right? Beautiful follow through coming down into here on this price action here. NASDAQ dumping. S&P dumping, okay? So lots of confluence around. Confluence or confluence? Let me know in the chat. What do you think? Is anybody in the short? Let me know if you are in the short. Is it? And we also got to answer this. Which one? Confluence or confluence? With the pause. Is it confluence or confluence? In the short, let's go, Darshan. Beautiful. Let's go, man. I love seeing you guys win. You guys are so incredible. Batman Head and Shoulders, so powerful. That's the one. Yeah, so you got your 3 strikes too, right? Your 1, 2, 3, roll over, bang, coming back down into our buy level in here. We'll see how it reacts, okay? Congratulations to those who took the short. This is why you don't take the long on the mitigation of the low. You take the bounce, right? Don't fight the trend. Is it confluence or confluence? You guys let me know. H-bar holding up. Algo holding up. Pretty wild. Okay, coming into our buy level, bouncing here. Nice little bounce. Nice little bounce off of our buy level. Okay, now if we establish, like we said, if we establish some support in here, then we'd be possibly looking for the long. If this, then that. Okay? If this, then that. If this, then that. Always that. Okay? Otherwise, we're looking for shorts, right? I'll let you guys know if I enter, but right now we're just waiting. Okay? Just waiting. This thing can still come down. We have another liquidity level down here at 96.5. Okay? So we mark out our bounce levels and wait for price to react. We never want to be impulsive. We don't want to just take these trades blindly. We have the key areas. We know where order blocks are. We know where liquidity is. We know where Fibonacci's are. We know where all of these things are. It gets to that area, and then it becomes an interpretation thing, a decision-making point, right? If you can't make a decision, you don't take the damn trade, right? You have your area. Okay, this is a key area. Liquidity here, revisiting previous highs. Can we bounce from here? We'll have to see. If we get the bounce from here, we jump in. We manage our risk, right? If not, this thing looks like it's just dying right now, so we don't take the trade. It's called discipline. It's not easy to have, especially when you always want to be into a trade. Okay, so a little bit of patience here will prevail. We'll see how it reacts. We're on the 1 minute time frame, right? So we're getting a little bit overextended, but this is still very much down only. Okay, big rollover here, wrecking all these people, right? What goes up must come down. A little bit of Bart Simpson in here coming down. Okay, can we hold this low liquidity in here? We're revisiting the highs right now into an order block, into a Fibonacci level. Okay, so is this a bounce level? Yes. Will we bounce? We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so let's see how it holds. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live with me, hanging out. 385 people in here, 117 likes. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and hanging out with me. I apologize for earlier and the absolute debauchery of the internet. You know, sometimes you can't plug in. You don't know how to plug in your computer. I mean, I was a carpenter for 13 years. Sometimes, you know, the extension cord, you need to wrap it in some electrical tape, and you got to jiggle it to get the saw working again. You know the deal, right? You guys know. We don't want to fight. We don't want to fight it. Retail sales dumping the market, maybe. I don't think so. I don't think so. I think CryptoFace is in a short. That's all I know. CryptoFace is in a short, and I think he's up $11 million. No, $11,000. He's up $11,000. Shout out to Face, man. Absolutely crushing it. CryptoFace sponsors this channel, by the way, which is pretty cool. Let's go, dumpity dump dump. He's in the short. Let's go, Face. Let's go, buddy. Incredible. Incredible. We are sponsored by Market Cypher here, which is truly an honor and a privilege to be not even recognized, man. Just to have, you know, have a new friend, you know. Pop and Groper, CryptoFace, very, very down to earth people, man. You know, for all the crazy hype, you know, I can't imagine. Great people, though, amazing people. How'd you get that buy level? My fibs aren't lining up with yours. That's okay, man. It is a previous high. It's not necessary. I'm not sure. I know it's a previous high in a liquidity zone. I'm not sure if it's a fib level. Nice bounce here. Nice bounce, but not sufficient in my opinion. Want to see established support, right? So push up, great. Established, go. Okay. Nice sweep, right? Nice sweep coming back in. Let's take a look for a swing low to swing high, right? So let's go impulse to the high here. Okay. Blasted right through the fibs there. So it's a 786 level. That's what it is. 786. Retest to previous highs. Okay. Look at this thing, man. Should have taken the long. Are we going to short it back down? That is the question. I'll look for some follow through here. Maybe a short. No trade yet. Just waiting. No trade yet. Nice bounce level, though. 786 bounce level. You think I can open a long now? I would wait. I would wait. I'm not convinced in longing this yet. Yes, it has hit our buy level. I mean, you typically get maybe a second chance in here. Maybe a higher low. We'll see. Getting some bottoming structure in here on our 1 minute, 3 minute. Exhaustion to the downside. Yeah. No trade yet. Just waiting. Just waiting. Don't want to rush this, right? Very ripping whipsaw price action. You don't want to rush your trades. Like we were talking about earlier, you know, maybe half a position size, whatever you're comfortable with, but you got to make sure that you're comfortable with it. You know, trade the plan. Don't trade your emotions. Coming into our buy level, bouncing quite nicely right now. I don't like this shooting star candle coming back in. Not going to look for the short right now. Let's see if we do get the long in this opportunity area, but I don't like that candle here. This looks like it's coming lower. It's a nice rejection off of our key support and resistance line as well. Okay, we're getting deviated on our VWAP bands as well. So look, VWAP's way above us, deviation down below. Look to take this all the way back up to VWAP, right? This can turn into a nice trade if we get the bounce here. If, right? Don't want to rush this. That's my opinion. Just waiting here, see if this can establish some sort of support in here, okay? Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with us. Mad love to every single one of you. Kyle in the chat, man. What's going on, brother? Good to see you, bro. Looking gorgeous, bro. Thank you so much for being here, Kyle. My man, go check out Kyle, one of our amazing traders. He just came out with a leverage video for you guys yesterday. An amazing trader, Kyle, in the chat, man. God bless you, bro. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. LJ, hopefully we answered your question there. Cotter says in. Yep, brother. Just quoting the carpenter. Let's go. BBL, good morning to you. Amori, do you think $4,000 can be turned into $50,000 this bull run? That's a feat, man. That's a feat. I'd start with trying to double. I'd start with trying to double it. That's where I would start. Keep doubling it, man. Keep doubling it. If you double, you double, you could get there, right? I think, being okay, nice bounce here. Red dot continuation, follow through here. No trade. Nice bottoming structure here. Nice anchor wave here on Market Cipher. This looks like it wants lower. See the volume in here. Yeah, volume decreasing at the key level, so we'll see if we do bounce. Momentum quite overextended to the downside on the 24 here. The 12-minute big anchor wave flattening out on VWAP. Indecision candle. Waiting. Still waiting. Look at this big bearish engulfing candle on the 3-minute, pushing price down lower. 5-minute. Anchor wave, VWAP trying to push back. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live with me, hanging out. We got 408 people in here, 127 likes. You guys are incredible. If you are new here, we go live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Sometimes we have internet problems, so 8 a.m. till 9 a.m. till 9:15 till 10:15. I don't know. We'll go a little late for you guys today. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, subscribe. Come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. We have a paid version with 4 traders, $30 a month. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. Hopefully we can help you on your trading journey. Traders helping traders. A great group of people, really, built on kindness. The Otter gang. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, hanging here with me every morning. I do appreciate you guys. We have been very, very successful in trading, but today, this is pretty ugly. No trade yet. If we can SFP into here and bounce, that would be nice, but rolling over quite aggressively this morning, retesting previous highs, 786. Putting in a higher low right now, but nasty dump. That's nasty. Big debate going on today. Does pineapple go on pizza? I mean, I don't mind pineapple on pizza. Like, it's not my go-to. But I don't mind it at all. All right, SFP of the low here. And a bounce, that would be ideal. If we bounce off an SFP in here, whoop, and bounce. Come on, baby. Bounce. Bounce, baby. Bounce. Bounce. We all about the pineapples today. We all swinging. Have a great day. I have to go nail some plywood. Awesome. Get those 2-inch bullets out, man. What's the fastest growing city in the world? Dublin. Really? That's cool. Good to see everybody in here. Jesse, good luck. Amori, Post, good morning to you guys. The division. Looks like we'll just chop them more down. Doesn't look like it's worth the long. No, I agree with your like longer term outlook, but as someone who wants to scalp this thing, overextension to the downside can be quite lucrative, especially if we come back into VWAP, right? So if we SFP in here and then we go, even to come back and revisit these highs, that's a good move for me, right? I totally get the macro outlook of, hey man, we've come up, we come down, we could continue to bleed here, and that's fine, right? Continuing to roll over here is good, but as a short-term time trader, the SFP, which we kind of just got right now, if we bounce, can be quite lucrative, okay? Nice bounce in here. Can we bounce out? Can we bounce out? No bounce out. Bounce out. No bounce out. Still waiting. Still waiting. We bounce out here. I might take the long. I think we're still going down, though, to be honest. Bounce out. No bounce out. We got liquidity down at the low in here, 96,600. I want to see it bounce out. No bounce out. We don't take the trade. No trade yet. Let's see if it does bounce out. Come on, Bitcoin. You got to go. You got to bounce out. Okay, nice bounce. Might take a stab here. Just waiting. No trade yet. Rejection. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. You got to push. No push coming in here yet. Okay, a little push. Might take a little stab here. All right, let's get in. I'm going to get in here. Just looking to come back up. Push, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Come on. Come on, you got to go. I like that candle. Got to go. Got to go. Don't be a nambe-pambe. Okay, I'm going to hit TP1 there. Stop loss to entry. Bit risky right now. Going to hit TP1 there. $105 so far. Come on. Come on, baby. $105. Coming back at us. Stop loss at entry. Stop loss entry, $105. We'll see if we continue to push here. No follow through. We got to have follow through here. Got to go. Got to go, man. I like this bull div pushing out. Might have one more strike down. That's fine. We'll get stopped out and we can re-enter. Might have this one more time. Yeah, coming back at us. Okay, stopped out. Stopped out. Very small win. Good risk management. Now it's going to go. Watch. It's going to fly. It's going to fly. We can look for another trade if we want. Possible long. Okay, so a quick little win here. Only $95. A quick little scalp. Okay. This could still go. Not saying it won't. I'm just just protecting myself right now. Quick $95. We saw a drive here. This could, yeah, this looks like it wants to go. This looks like it wants to go. I should have maybe kept my stop loss a little bit lower, but that's okay. A quick $95. GG's, everybody. If you did take the trade, or if you're in the trade, you are scalping alongside. I mean, it's been a lot of quick ones lately. Like, don't want to fight this too much. Trending down, trying to push down. Very like whipsaw price action. So you got to be pretty careful in here. Looks like it's rolling over a little bit more here. I don't know if we're going to continue. Going down. Good trade. Thank you. Thank you for the kind compliment. Yeah, look, here we go, man. Pushing back. Geo shorted that down move. Awesome. Good work, Geo. Love Geo. I'm going to the hockey game with Geo tonight. Me and Gio are hanging out. We're going to a Leafs game. Going to the Leafs game, baby. Let's go. So I'm going to go and hang out with Gio tonight. Good fun. Good fun. Look at that, man. Should have kept the stop loss a little bit lower. So lesson learned. Look at that. Pushing back. Look at that. If you are still in this, you'll get pictures, man. Yeah, I'm excited to go and hang out with Gio, man. We're going to go and rip out on the town. I'm going to get him drunk. Oh, man. It's going to be good fun. Why not long it again? Because risk management. Like, what, I'm going to get long in here, and then what? Right? Going a little bit later today for you guys, taking a quick little scalp. This could have played out quite nicely, right? Overextension. Yeah, got out too early, man. Got out too early. I'll find some more. Don't worry. The day is still young. Sheesh. Look at this thing coming down. Rejection here, 786. Nice pushback for Bitcoin. Look at this thing. Dang. Dang, Daniel. Is anybody still in that long that I gave? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. If you are long, congratulations. Don't have to be ye high to get in, or you. We're going to get a big coat, yeah. You guys are still in. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Great job. I'm in, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Good job, everybody. Make sure you guys pay yourselves. I love seeing you guys win, man. 413 people in here. If you are new here, subscribe. I'd love to see you guys tomorrow morning. Lots of fun. Lots of fun in here, man. You guys are great. Thank you guys for putting up with my my internet today. Look, I've disappeared again. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Okay? Looks like Bitcoin's pushing back. We'll see what happens here. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Make sure you guys are using good risk management, hanging out here. Thank you for being part of the channel. I do appreciate every single one of you guys. Enjoy your gains on that long. It continues to push, and hopefully you guys make lots and lots of money. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gains. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a dip.